I wrote my first Python program today. Print, where are all the brackets? Print, how do you people read this syntax easily? The best way to learn a language is to speak to natives. The guy learning Python. C++ developer learning Python. Python developer learning C++. Python is the easier language to learn. No brackets, no main. You get errors for writing an extra space. Bugs. Errors. Line of codes. Offensive meme alert. Python. Then. Python. Now. Bro, how do I fix this? Try Hello World. The 8-year-old is learning Python, and after dealing with a syntax bug, she asks, if the computer knows I'm missing a semicolon here, why won't it add it itself? I don't know. I really don't know. Yo, dog, I heard you like Python. So we coded Python. In Python, so that your Python can be compiled into Python. By Python. Arrays. Linked lists. Python lists. What the hell is this?